everyone. Saying system UI is not responding on your Android phone. Don't worry, I will show you some easy fixes. Step 1. Restart your phone. First, restart your phone. This can fix small system problems quickly. Step 2. Clear system UI cache. Go to settings. Apps. Show system apps. Storage. Tap clear cache. Step 3. Free up storage. Go to settings. Storage. And delete unwanted app or files. Low storage can cause this problem. Step 4. Update your phone. Go to settings. Software update. Install any available update. Step 5. Remove problem app. If the problem started after installing an app, delete that app. Step 6. Reset settings. If the still does not fix, go to settings. Reset. Reset all settings. And that's it. These easy steps should fix the system UI not responding error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.